Today, I'd like to talk about the real pros and cons of using a professional real estate agent. Hi, I'm Douglas Ramos with the Douglas Ramos team, powered by Century 21 Alliance Realty. I'm not here to convince you, I'm here to give you the truth so you can make confident decisions that protects your time, your money, and your peace of mind. Let's start with the pros. What's in it for you? Number one, a professional experienced realtor will bring expert pricing strategy. You've heard the phrase, price it right and it'll sell? That's not guesswork, it's market data, experience, and timing. An experienced realtor will use proven pricing strategies to position your home exactly where it attracts real buyers without leaving money on the table. Number two, a professional realtor will have a proven powerful marketing. Professional photos, target online exposure, access to top platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, and the MLS. An experienced realtor will walk through your home with the eyes of a buyer and an appraisal and give you tips on repairs and upgrades that will not break the bank, plus staging recommendations to make your home feel irresistible. You see, buyers are not shopping with logic, they're buying with emotion. Give them something to fall in love with. Number three, an experienced realtor brings skilled negotiations when the offers starts rolling in. The job of a skilled negotiator realtor is to protect your interests, not just look at the price. The realtor you hire must look at all the terms, timelines, and contingencies. That's where thousands of dollars can be gained or lost. You want someone who knows exactly what to say at the negotiating table. Number four, a professional realtor brings legal guidance. Disclosure, deadlines, contracts, it's not just paperwork, it's legal protection. One missed signature or deadline could cost you the deal, or worse, open the doors for legal trouble. The realtor you choose has to make sure that everything is handled properly so you don't get blindsided later. Number five, a true professional realtor should save you time and stress. Showings, calls, buyers' questions, inspections, appraisals, repairs, closing timelines. The realtor you choose manages the chaos, so you don't have to. That means you can stay focused on your life, not your listing. Now, what should you consider before hiring an agent? Commission fees. Yes, agents typically earn a percentage of the sales price, but here's what most sellers learn the hard way. Homes sold with an agent typically sell for more money. Why? Better pricing, more exposure, and stronger negotiations. It's not about what you pay, it's about what you keep. Less control. When you hire an agent, you're trusting someone to guide the process. That means that some of the decisions and timelines will flow through that agent. But I'll say this, if you want to be in control of your profit, your liability, and your time, you want someone who knows how to lead the process well. Here's what I want you to think about. If you knew that using the right agent would get your home sold faster with less stress for more money and keeping you out of the legal hot waters, would it still be worth it trying to do it alone? Because sometimes the best investment is in who you trust to guide the sale. For 30 years, I have guided many sellers like you go through the process of selling successfully. If you're considering selling and want to compare your options, I am offering a free, no-pressure seller strategy session. I'll look at your home, your timeline, and your goals, and I'll give you the truth about what's possible in this market. Click the link below or reach out directly to schedule. I am Douglas Ramos with Century 21 Alliance Realty. Let's talk about how we can get your home sold the smart way.